Good morning, everyone. I am Meenakshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, JJ College of Arts and Science. Now we are discuss about the topic is HTML forms. A form is an area that contain form control and elements. Each piece of information for a form is stored in a field. The value itself is called a field value. Form control elements are input boxes, option button, selection list, checkboxes, and text area. Input boxes only allow text and numerical entries, and option and buttons are radio button, that is a single option. Selection list is a drop down list. Checkboxes are specifying yes or no options. Text area for extends entries that can include several lines of text. If I'm using address field mean that time we use text areas. This is a syntax of HTML forms. Opening form tag, we use number of input tags, then closing form tag. Then forms and server based programs. When we use server based forms, the forms are used to collect informations that the information is then sent back to the server. Information is stored and analyzed using a program on the server. By giving user access to program that react to the input user input, the web become a more dynamic environment where companies and user could interact. Server based program provides online databases, online ordering and purchasing, dynamic websites, message boards for hosting online discussion. Then several reasons to restrict direct access. When you run a server based program, we are interacting directly with the server. For security risk, drain and system resources caused by a large number of programs running simultaneously. This is a input text field. This is the syntax of input text field. Input type equal to text, name equal to that particular field name. Name is the attribute of input text, and size and value within an initial value. When we give a value that is displayed in a output screen, then we use number of input tags. Then password field, when we use password label, that time we use password. Input type equal to password, name equal to pass2, that is a user value. Size equal to 30, max length equal to 30. These are all optional attributes. Then text area mainly used in address field. Then adding control buttons. A form must include at least one control button for submitting the information once it is filled out. In addition, form often include button for resetting all the entries if a person want to start over. Adding control buttons, input type equal to submit, name equal to submit, value equal to submit. If you give value equal to submit, that value only displayed in the output screen. Submit, reset, push me, these are all control buttons only. Then radio button, if you click radio button, the other is a set or automatically deselected. Mainly it is used for gender label, male or female. We only click one options only. Then check boxes, if the box is checked, clicking it again will remove the mark. The value sent in the form is the value of checkbox. If it was selected, otherwise the value is empty. This is a syntax of checkbox. Input type equal to checkbox, name equal to checkbox, value equal to checkbox. Checked. This name value is the optional attributes. Then drop down list, the number of items visible in the list. That time we use drop down lists. When we use drop down list means, for example, in country label we use drop down list. We use it to select multiple countries. That time we use drop down lists. That is a practice exercise, the simple form. This is an example program of that output. Head HTML, head title, meta HTTP environment. Then we close head, opening body tag, and P is a paragraph tag. Who are you is typing. So we use the p paragraph tag. Then input type equal to text. Why we are using input type equal to text means we need to enter the username. So we use the text box. If you need to show the text box in your form means that time we use input type equal to text. The same radio buttons, gender, male and female. Finally we close the form tag and body html. Thank you.